My name's Oliver Starr. I'm Managing Director and owner of Zeus Hydratech. Zeus Hydratech are a hydraulic component supplier. We are authorised distributors for various major manufacturers of hydraulic components, and we distribute throughout the UK and internationally. We want to make sure that we represent quality and reliability as opposed to low value, high volume components. Why I made the decision a while back that I wanted to be the one that's helpful. We wanted to be the supplier that could actually come back to them in a timely manner, give them the information that they wanted, give them professional quotations, deliver goods on time, do what we say we're going to do. We appreciate that manufacturers don't always have their own in-house hydraulic engineers, or they have engineers that perhaps don't have the expertise to look after their own equipment. So within the local region, we offer the service to go to sites and give complete refurbishment of their hydraulic power pack systems.
Redcliffe do a lot of AOG work, which is aircraft on ground. It's emergency spare part manufacturing. In an instance where we get Airbus calling us saying, we need this component as soon as you can get it, we can't afford to have machinery break down. We had a problem with an old machine where the configuration of the power pack wasn't quite correct, even though we'd followed all the information that came with the machine. And Zeus went way beyond what I was expecting. They sent a man out instantly, took the power pack back and configured it correctly so it would work with the machine and silence the alarm that was going off.
Given the size of the contract for Redcliffe, it was important that we were able to react quickly. The fact that we've been able to give them that service has given them complete reassurance and confidence in Zeus, and that's why they continue to come back to us and rely on us the way they do.
They obviously know that they can kit inside out. And in fact, one of the independent machine vendors just said, just go to Zeus Hydratech, they know what they're doing. We'll just add a margin and make it complicated.
Downtime for manufacturers is clearly undesirable scenarios, so the reason we nominate quality hydraulic components is to ensure that that downtime is reduced to an absolute minimum. One thing that has allowed us to work with some fairly big names is the fact that we are ISO 9001 accredited, which is the quality system. We were approached by a major Formula One racing team. They were actually after a simple filtration system to prevent moisture entering their hydraulic system. As the packs are being flown to different countries, they were having issue with moisture ingress. That conversation very quickly led on to them asking if we could design a new hydraulic power pack system, which was quite a complex design. It had to be very compact. It had to increase on the pressure that it could achieve. Formula One cars, their hydraulic system runs at a very high temperature. At that high temperature, most hydraulic systems are starting to fall down. So we had to find a series of components that could happily run at 90+ degrees. Working with a partner of ours in the north of the UK, we were able to design a completely bespoke, portable hydraulic system that was able to fulfill the requirements of the Formula One team. We've actually just received an order for another commission. I think it's important for large manufacturers to have the confidence in a supplier that they're going to have a quality system in place to follow procedures through the way it should be done properly. Genuinely, for me, the USP is us as people and the team that we have here. I need to make sure that when people ring up, they have an enjoyable, informative and professional experience.
Zeus were exceptionally easy to deal with because they're experts in the kit that they provide.
I feel very positive about moving forward out of 2020, continuing to give our customers the great customer service that they've become accustomed to. The core values that we've built right from the beginning will still be there. They always will be there. That's what built Zeus. We're just really excited to move forward and we look forward to serving our customers.